Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking Delta kitchen faucet. If you own a Delta faucet, remember they offer a lifetime warranty and will send you repair parts for free. Just give them a call. If you need to buy parts, check the links in the description for genuine Delta repair kits. I recommend only using original Delta parts for the best results. Step 1. Turn off water supply. Start by turning off the shutoff valves under your sink. Make sure to plug or cover your drain to avoid losing any small parts. Step 2. Check water is off. Turn the faucet handle to the on position to confirm the water is off. Step 3. Remove handle. Use a 1/8-inch hex wrench to remove the set screw from the handle and put it safely aside. The handle should come off easily, but if it's stuck due to corrosion, spray some WD-40, tap gently, and it should loosen. Step 4. Remove cap assembly and cam. Use a large adjustable wrench to remove the cap assembly. Avoid using pliers with sharp teeth to prevent damage. Remove the cam assembly and keep it safe. Step 5. Remove and inspect ball assembly. Pull out the ball assembly and check it for wear. If you feel rough spots or see dull areas, it needs replacing. Step 6. Remove seats and springs. Using a narrow screwdriver or dental pick, remove the seats and springs carefully. Note the orientation. The larger end the spring goes into the valve body, and the smaller end fits into the seat. Step 7. Clean parts and valve body. Scrape and clean corrosion from the valve body and spout supply hole. Remove and clean the spout O-ring in upper and lower valve body. O-rings using a small tool. Step 8. Install new O-rings and grease. Install new O-rings, making sure they sit in their grooves properly. Use plumber's grease generously on O-rings, seats, springs, and areas with corrosion to ensure smooth operation and prevent future corrosion. Step 9. Install new ball and cam assemblies. Apply plumber's grease where the ball shows wear, and align the ball assembly slot with the valve body nub before inserting. Do the same for the cam assembly, making sure it seats correctly. Step 10. Reassemble spout and cap. Grease the spout and O-rings, then install the spout assembly. Tighten the cap assembly snugly with an adjustable wrench. Don't over-tighten. Step 11. Reinstall handle. Grease the handles inside and set screw threads. Install the handle and tighten the set screw securely. Step 12. Clean and reinstall aerator. Remove and clean the aerator. Remove sediment buildup if needed. Replace the aerator gently. Step 13. Turn water on and test. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks by running hot and cold water through the faucet. Congratulations! Your Delta kitchen faucet should now work like new again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY plumbing tips.